In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily draw on a photo on your iPhone in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. But before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So guys, first of all, let's head to the Photos app and then open any one of the photos. For example, I've chosen this one. All you'll have to do is to click on edit on the top right, and then click on that pencil icon right here on the top right corner. So once you're on this page, you'll find a bunch of pencils, highlighters or something like that, and you can choose any one of them. You'll find a pencil. For example, I will choose this pencil, and then you'll have to choose a color. For example, I will choose dark blue, and then you'll be able to draw on right here. You can also choose eraser and erase all of this. And if I choose this highlighter and choose a color like this, I can also write with this, and that's how you can easily and click on done, and it will be saved. So that's how you can easily draw on a photo in your iPhone or highlight something. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment.